Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I want to talk to you about the advantages and disadvantages of crypto trading bots. Who should be using those? When is the right time to use it? Some people got it wrong thinking that the bots are going to make the market. The bots cannot do that. What they can do is just follow the market. I got a message from a member of my Telegram group. He said, "What's happening with my bots? Those ones are not moving." Well, in the real crypto world, a lot of stuff's going on. The market is not going the way we want it. The news about the world are definitely affecting the economy. 2 days to start the Bitcoin halving. That doesn't mean in 2 days all the coins are going to skyrocket. No, it's not going to happen like that. Now, through time, we're going to start to see the evolution of all the coins. If you believe in crypto, and I guess you do because if you are watching this video, you're probably expecting to have some value out of all of this information. I believe all of this is going to change. In my opinion, this is a good time to set up your bots and keep them ready for the bull market. That's exactly what I'm doing. If you've been following the channel, you already know that my favorite bot is Jonny Blockchain, and I've been trying different automations in the last 2 years. I also like EasyBot. It was a really good decision to jump on that one too. At the moment, both of those are kind of quiet, but I'm sure when the market starts to move, we're gonna see some crazy results. And the best part of these two bots is that we always have full control of our capital. With Jonny Blockchain, we have the chance to use our Binance account or our MetaMask wallet. All we need to do is first decide what coin we want to use. And don't worry, when you come right here to dashboard and click in trends, they are giving us a list of the best coins to use. You only need USDT and the system is going to swap those tokens, is going to trade on our behalf. At the end, we will get the profits back in USDT. So that is super convenient. And the second decision we have to take here is simple, how much we want to allocate for each bot. That's it. You can just use the default settings and you are good to go. The way to get started is simple. I have a guide on how to do that. If you need any help with that, just get in touch with me and I will show you how to do it. The link to my Telegram group is in the description of this video. Now let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of these bots. So the first advantage is the automation. The bots can execute trades automatically based on our criteria. We don't need to be experts. We don't need to know about trading. It's always good if we educate ourselves about all of this, but you don't need to. Now the second advantage is the speed. These bots can react fast to the market movements. Traders with years of experience, they cannot do that. Now it's even better with all of these smart algorithms and AI technology. The other big advantage is that they can trade 24/7. This is how we can get advantage of all of these opportunities even when we are asleep. And if I show you some of the results of my Jonny Blockchain bots, only this automation where I have it generated already a 1000%, 1100% in total ROI. That's absolutely insane. And all of that was automated. Now, what about the disadvantages? Well, the first one, and I'm always worried about that is technical issues. There could be a glitch, could be a bug that could lead us to some losses. That happened to me using different bots. That was a year ago when I was using something completely different. They had a strategy to run on autopilot, but there wasn't any real support. What I like about Jonny Blockchain is that they have a team always behind the scene working, trying to fix those bugs, those glitches. If we have any suggestions, they are always listening to us. So probably this is a disadvantage using a different automation, but right here Jonny Blockchain wins an extra point. Another disadvantage that you can find with these crypto trading bots is the volatility. If they don't have the proper configuration, that could liquidate your account in seconds. And here is another plus for Jonny Blockchain. They are not trading with all our capital at once. They are only taking a fraction of your capital to start to trade. When the conditions are optimal, they're gonna start to buy some extra positions. They are very careful about these operations. In fact, I think they have a very good risk management. If you look at the stats of the successful trades, those ones are sitting in 98%. against trades where they got zero profits, sitting in 0.3% or negative profits. That means losses right there. The rate in losses is only 1.2%. So that right there can show us how good is the risk management. The other disadvantage is, well, the market conditions, just like right now. If the market is not moving, well, we cannot expect to have results. But again, to me, this is the perfect opportunity to get some crypto at a low price. It's the perfect opportunity to set up your bots, just preparing for the bull market. Most of people is going to jump in when the prices are high, thinking that that's the perfect time. It's actually right now. Be ready, because when everything starts to move, now you want to set up your bots, you want to get ready for the season, you're going to waste some time trying to learn how to do it, how to put everything in place to get started. Well, anyways, I don't tell anyone what to do with their money, but it makes sense to do it right now, because we're going to be waiting for this big event that is going to be running for a number of months. And you can see my results even when the market is down. Those are really crazy returns considering the conditions. The other bot that I mentioned, EasyBot, I'm already in over 2,000 in total profits. I got started at the same time with Jonny Blockchain. 671 USDT in the last 30 days, 119 USDT in the last 7 days, $2 today. This is my long-term bot. The same thing, I'm using only the default settings. With all of those, I have excellent results. In both options, we need to pay a subscription. Right here, you have 4 different plans that are going to run each one for a year. You also need to have some BNB to pay your gas fees, pay the service charge. Here is where I give another point to Jonny Blockchain, because the price of the yearly subscription is nothing compared to these prices. We pay only 25 USDT per year, and you can run as many bots as you want. Plus, there is a cut every week on profitable trades. To me, that's fair, considering that this automation is going to generate real profits using real trading, and still we have full control of our capital. I have 5,300 here actively trading, and some more there just sitting around 7,500 waiting for the bull market. People always ask how much you can make here daily, weekly, monthly. Again, it all depends of the market. It all depends of the money that you allocate on your bots, the timing. You can see here the total ROIs of my bots. This one is 174, this one 246, 294. In average, combining all of these, well, that was before, but I was making between 25 to 30% a month. I'm convinced that it's going to get much better. That's why I'm not worried about letting my bots run, because I know we're going to have an amazing journey starting real soon. Anyways, if you want more information about this, I have a lot of videos. I'll be happy to help you. Get in touch with me on Telegram. If you're a complete beginner, don't worry, there are videos to show you how to get started. It's super simple. You just need to dedicate some time to set it up and let it run. Alright guys, this is my video today. I hope you are very excited about the Bitcoin halving. I hope you are enjoying this space, because there is people that take it too serious. But when you address the good and the bad with a very positive vibe, you will have a better experience in this space. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you so much for your company. I hope to see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.